In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions to your video automatically using Adobe Express. So here I've been playing around with it and I'm going to share it with you and explain how to do it. So what you first need to do is come to Adobe Express. You can get here by just Googling Adobe Express and then create a free account. It will take you straight here. Now what you can do once you're here, you need to look for the video section. So if you scroll down, you'll see For You, Social Media, then Video. Click on Video. And then it will say Video Quick Actions. From here, click View All. Then you can go ahead and go to Video. And here you want to look for Caption Video. So click on Caption Video and it will then prompt you to upload your video. Files can be up to 1 GB and 5 minutes long. This is perfect for Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, basically any short form content. So I'm going to upload my video and it's the video you just seen in the intro. So I'm going to upload this. This is a Instagram Reel. It's already been clipped. We're just going to add captions to it. So it's going to process your video. Just give it a while for it to process and upload it to Adobe Express. Okay, so now the video has been uploaded. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and change the style. So I like a very simple style for my captions, but you can use any of these. You can also enable customized colors and customize the text, the shape, and also the shape color. I just like very simple ones though. You can obviously go ahead and play around with this. Now as you play your video, just making sure the sound's off, as you play the video, it will then show you your caption and you can correct it up here if the text is wrong. So I would play through your video and correct any text which is wrong. Once you're happy with it, you can then go ahead and click download to download the video straight away. Or if you need to do additional editing, open it in the editor. I'm going to click download. It will then export the file. This can take up to a couple of minutes depending on what video and your video length and also the quality. This video is an Instagram Reel that I uploaded to my Instagram. If you want to learn more about this, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I talk about building YouTube channels, specifically search-based channels like the one that you're watching here. So here is the video downloader. I'm just going to download it to my desktop as an MP4 file. And that's all you have to do. Once the video is downloaded, it will be captioned and that's all there is.